Chapter 5. Understanding Input. Objective Overviewer define input and differential among a program, command, and user response. Identify the keys and buttons commonly found on desktop computer keyboards and describe how keyboards for mobile computer and devices differ from desktop computer keyboard. Describe different mouse types and explain how to use a mouse. Objective Objective-based overviewer explain how resolution affects the quality of a picture captured on a digital camera. Describe the uses of voice recognition, webcams, and video conferencing. Discuss how various scanners and reading devices work. What is input? Input is any data and instructions entered into the memory of a computer. Berikut dalam gambar the input device. Instructions can be entered into the computer in the form of programs, commands, and user responses. What are input devices? An input device is any hardware component that allows user to enter data and instruction into a computer. The keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that contains key user prompt to enter data and instruction into a computer. Bagian dari keyboard adalah most desktop computer keyboards have the insertion point, also known as the cursor, is a symbol on the screen that indicates where the next characters you type will appear. The keyboard, wired keyboards, wireless keyboards, wired keyboard USB port, wireless keyboard Bluetooth ear DA. The keyboard, an ergonomic keyboard, has a design that reduces the chance of breath and hand injuries. Ergonomics incorporates comfort, efficiency, and safety into the design of the workplace. Keyboards and mobile devices typically are smaller or have fewer keys. Some phones have predictive the input which saves time when entering text using the phone's keypad. Pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device that fits under the palm of your hand comfortably. A mouse can be wired or wireless. Mouse operations. Other pointing devices, trackball, touchpad, pointing stick, touchscreen, and touch-sensitive pad. A touchscreen is a touch-sensitive display device. Touchscreen and touch-sensitive pads, Microsoft Surface, touch-sensitive panes. Pad input. With pen input, you touch a stylus and or digital pen on a flat surface to read, draw, or make selections. Other input form smartphones, game controllers. Video games and computer games use a game's controllers as the input device that directs movements and action of on-screen objects. Gamepads, joystick, and wireless light gun, dancepad, motion sensing controllers. Ini gambar dari game controllers. Digital cameras. A digital camera is a mobile device that allows user to take pictures and store them digitally. Studio cameras, field cameras, point and shot cameras. Digital camera terdiri dari 5 tahap. Digital camera's resolution, number of bits stored in each pixel. Voice input. Voice input is the process of entering input by speaking into a microphone. Voice recognition is the computer's capability of distinguishing spoken words. Audio input. Audio input is the process of entering any sound into the computer, speech, music, sound effects. Voice input. Music production software allows user to record, compose, mix, and edit music and sounds. Voice input. Video input. Video input is the process of capturing full motion images and storing them on a computer storing medium. Video input. Video input, a webcam, is a type of digital video camera that enables a user to. Video conference is a meeting between two or more geographically separated people. Scanners and reading device, flatbed fan or handheld set-fed drum, terdiri dari beberapa tahap. Scanners and reading device, optical character recording, a turn-natural recognition, optical mark recognition OMR, a barcode reader, also called a barcode scanner, uses laser beam to the beams to read barcodes. Scanner and reading device, RFID, radio frequency identification. RFID reader, RFID can track magnetic strip card reading. Read the magnetic strip on the back of cards such as credit cards, entertainment cards, bank cards, others mailer cards. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. Data collection device, obtain data directly at the location where the transaction or event takes place. Used in restaurant, grocery stores, factories, warehouse, the orders. Biometric input. Biometric authentication, a process identified by verifying a personal characteristic. Terminals. A terminal is a computer that allows users to send data to and or receive information from a host computer, putting it all together. Input device for physically challenged user. Several input devices are available to assist physically challenged user. Keyboard with larger case, on-screen keyboard, various fonting device. Input device for physically challenged user. Keyboard with larger case, had a mounted pointer. Summary. Recent technical of entering input several commonly used input device. Demikian chapter 5, dilanjut dengan chapter 6.